Hey, you need to get up, you need to get going. You are going to be late for work.
What time is it?
7, so you need to get out of the door ASAP. Go, 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 go. This happens every day, guys. It's like she's tied to the bed with rope and honey.
What time is it?
7.
Oh.
So Betty is to the bathroom now, taking a shower. She needs to wash her hair and then use the blow dryer. But she's in a hurry, so let's see how she will deal with my prank. Because I will put flour in the blow dryer. It will mess up her head and her hair. Don't try this at home, because it will most definitely screw up your blow dryer and possibly your marriage. Oh my goodness, still taking a shower. She will be late for work anyway, with or without this prank. Let me brush off the powder, so she won't notice that I have been tinkering with it. This is the mirror she will be using. So let me hide the camera in the closet so we can have a nice close-up of her reaction.
Oh my goodness, time is running so much. I need to hurry up. I'm getting stressed out. Oh my goodness, I need to dry my hair. My goodness. Who the hell did this? Not now, Mars, not now, no! Oh my goodness.
Oh, did I leave the stove on? Something's burning.
Oh, what is this? Who did it?
Are you my wife? I have a black wife. Who are you?
I need to go to work. Do you understand?
Don't do the reverse prank with black powder, because you can't have black rice already. Smells like burnt toast. This is how you will look when you're 80. Take a look at the future.
Ooh. What do I do now? Oh no.
I think
Oh my goodness, look at this.
I think you need to scrub your face now.
No.
Scrub it with sandpaper and possibly the cheese grater and maybe some vinegar and ammoniac.
Yes. How I didn't see it coming.
This will never go off.
Oh,
it's burned into your skin. I can write my name on it.
Seriously, go. Oh my.
I'll send this picture to your parents. Say it's snowing in Holland.
This one, I never saw it coming. Anyway, Thank you so much for watching. I need to prepare myself to get to work. So, bye.